Very good. So we are speaking about what? Punctuality. Okay. So if you be late every day, okay, and Rangarao sir, Kalyani ma'am is leaving their work, they're coming for you on time, 9 o'clock. Will it be you're respecting their time if you're late? No? Not audible? Not understanding? Very good. So you are respecting their time or no if you are coming late? Not respecting. Very good. So to respect others' time also being regular is important. And when you respect their time, respect you to mutual grow. Very good. So that's why being punctual is important. Okay. So everybody is coming on time here. Anybody is being late? Lokesh? Lokesh is late? Today? Why Lokesh? What happened? I gave the same example. So if there is a traffic, you should leave your home 10 minutes early or 15 minutes early, right? Okay, now Lokesh, when you go for work, okay, when you go for job, if you are late due to traffic, what will they say? They will cut your salary for half day, right? 10 minutes late, half the salary cut. You want that? Yes, so be early, leave your home 10 minutes early, leave your home 15 minutes early. So you will be reaching your center or job early. Okay? Now I will tell you one example. Okay, now imagine Harshita and we are working in same company. Okay? For example, they are working in same company, Harshita and Sudhir. Okay, where is Sudhir? Raise your hand. Like coming there, I can't see Sudhir sitting.
Sudhir.
But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, I saw you. Okay. Now, for example, Harshita and Sudhir is working in the same company. Harshita, being a very punctual person, she reaches the office on time. She starts the work on time. She completes the work on time, and then she has time for building new connection in the company. She has time for her personal life. But for example, Sudhir is also working same company, but he's not on time. Okay, for example, he always 2 hours, 3 hours late for work. Okay, so when he's late, he's starting his work also late. Okay, and when he's starting his work late, he will have 20 works in the end of the day. Okay, so every day he is spending works, every day he is coming late. So one day when manager wants to trust someone, when boss or manager wants to trust someone, give more opportunity, give want to be dependent or give in for example promotion, for example salary he wants to raise for someone. Who will the manager choose? Harshita or Sudhir? Understood how small aspect like punctuality, small thing like punctuality plays a bigger role in your career, right? So everybody will be punctual today. From today, wherever you go, you will be punctual. Okay, very good. Okay, being punctual is one thing. You have to be punctual as a professional person. What are your other duties?
March